Hi everybody, it's me, AngieB, the Green Garden Chick. Hey, guess what? It's raining outside. I can't get out in the garden, but that's not stopping me. There are a lot of things that you can do here in the kitchen on the Millbrook Urban Farms or your home when you can't get outside. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing is, I'm composting. So I'm collecting things that went bad in the kitchen and then the things that I cut to start my soups. Another thing is I let my ginger sprout, so I'm going to be trying to sprout the ginger today, get it started, that is. I have lots of housework to do, but I don't want to do it. So we're going to do a lot of cooking today, comfort food. One of my last onions that I have left, so I'm chopping onions now. I have chicken legs in the soup water with the broth, and I'm going to take the chicken off and be able to have that for chicken soup and the noodles. I have a leek that is outgrowing. It was in the cabinet. So I'll have leek soup. I've been watching a lot of English garden shows, and leek is like hot. So I'm growing leeks, and then we're going to be utilizing them too here in the kitchen. I have celery, so that's going to be part of the soups, and then celery soup. Broccoli and cheese. It's going a little brown, but it's still edible. So I don't waste anything. If it's not edible 100%, then it goes into the garden. I have my egg carton here because the chickens are not laying as many eggs, and we're really battling their safety right now because we have a lot of coyotes. And it was confirmed by the feed store that everybody in the area has coyote problems. So some of you may or may not know, one of our chickens, actually the chicken was found dead in the coop, just died. And then I buried it, and several really deep, I won't say feet because I wasn't that strong to do that, but something dug it back up and drug it to the neighbor's yard. And the paws were really, really large, so I looked it up. It's a coyote. It's a big one though. So what I'm doing with this is